Mindmaps. I'm going to show you how to create maybe a uh, formula for a particular mind map, and then I'm going to show you how to create it electronically. So I'm going to click on this bit that says add photos and files there, and I'm going to go back into my favorite area, my downloads, and find that summary in 10 points yet again. Open that up. And then I'm going to find my little prompt. Here it is, create a mind map with ChatGPT. So all this will do to start with, use the 10 bullet points summarizing the document to create a mind map structure. This mind map will help students visually organize and connect key ideas from the summary. It should be grouped into main themes or categories relevant to civilization. Okay, click on that, and it's just going to create this. So thematic core, you could ask if you wanted to, not just for themes, you could ask for characters, studies, or something like that. So you can see it's done quite a nice little um, pattern here, talks about divine intervention in NID 1, fate and prophecy, heroism and leadership. That's great, yeah. And you could just get students to, do that by hand. They like drawing and things like that. I think that's quite useful. Let me just show you how to create an electronic version of this. So I'm now going to ask it to produce a mark map. Okay, and then here we go. Here's the mark map formula. Now, you can see that's looking a little bit intimidating. It's got all these strange little hashes and dashes and asterisks on it, and that's because it actually belongs to something that you can take into another program. So if you go over here, you can see this. It's just literally, I've gone into a browser, typed into browser try markmap, click on that, and you can see what it's going to produce. It's going to produce something like this. I don't need all of that there. So here we go. My title is Aeneid, oops, book 1. And then I'm now going to go back into there and copy that. Go back to markmap and paste all of that. So there you go. It produces that. So we can either download that if we want to as an active HTML, which will open that up, and you can save it like that. Um, or you can also, if you would, to save it like that, or you could, if you wanted to download that as an SCG file, open that file. And to be honest, there are programs you can find. ChatGPT would do it if you just uploaded that into ChatGPT and then told it to create a PDF or something like that. So from here, you could then illustrate it if you wanted to. I've done that, or create a JPEG file, a picture file, or something like that. So, as I say, that's how to create it electronically.